This is part 3 of a series with messages about Kylie, written by people who knew her and those who care and slash who cared about her. The words you will hear were not written by me. We honor her by sharing the story aloud with as many people as possible.
I'm with you on this ride, my dear. Thank you and much respect, love, and appreciation. I'm here. Not going anywhere until Kylie gets her justice and praying for truth to come out. Come into the light.
Did you know some religions or cults' beliefs are that a child sheds all its past at that rightful age and take on a whole new beginning as their new chosen self? They live their lives off the grid, practically their whole lives, doing whatever it is that they do. Why would they not do something quietly out of eyes view?
With around 300 people last
One would
Friday
never
night
know.
and early Saturday morning
Seek
at the
her off
Prosser
truth.
family campground. She
Nothing
never
should
made it
ever
back to her
trump an
parents' home
individual.
in Truckee.
So true.
Her car is missing.
Do you
and her
believe
phone
that she was
turned off.
nowheres
We are
after the
continuing
6th?
every effort.
Ever think what if all the
Everything
girls found
At a
themselves
press
in deep
conference,
morale
members of
trouble
law
and one
enforcement
agreed to
said they
go
are
away?
expanding their search. They have received more than 1,000
I do not know what it
tips,
is about you that
including
draws me
video
here.
from that party. They
We
shared
are
an
on
image
opposite sides of the
Kylie at a
water.
Truckee business just hours
Is it
before
your
she
quiet way of
disappeared,
telling a
as
story?
well as a
It's
picture of the
frustrating.
hoodie she
Yet
was
here I
wearing.
am.
There was a lot of video at the
I noticed
party.
you just started this
We've,
channel.
Done a really good job of
Solely
trying
for
to
your voice
collect
to be
that,
seen
as
for
much of
Kylie.
that as possible.
May I
That
ask
obviously
truly
takes time
why?
to review.
I could not imagine growing up in today's world as a
Videos
young
posted on the
person.
Find Kylie Rodni Instagram
Words to sell
showed
to a
her
public
playing
can easily be
instruments
so
and singing
misunderstood.
with her grandfather.
She was
Did
always
Kylie have
singing in
family
the car,
problems?
singing all the time, singing everything.
Bet you she
Community
did.
members have been holding search
Bet you
parties
she was
and
headstrong.
teen meetups to try to
I
get
bet you she
information
had a
about
strong
who Kylie
conviction
was
of who
last
she wanted
with.
to be long ago.
Hundreds of law enforcement personnel
Kylie
from
grew up
several different
beautifully.
agencies,
Maybe the
including
religion
FBI,
thing is
have been
different.
assigned to the case.
But I
There's a
won't
dive
judge
team
anyone's
searching
beliefs unless
waterways
they
in
are
the
so
area.
impure.
There's air
Even then,
support,
that is their
canines,
own
and
lives.
ATVs. Now, those who
They
know
can deal
Kylie,
with whoever
like
they
Jen
will
Charles,
answer to
her
when their
former
time
music teacher,
comes.
say they are determined
Kylie grew
to
up around
find her.
people,
We were
ever
playing
ending
her
flow of people.
songs, and we
She was
are
never
playing
hiding from
things
eyes.
that we hope she can hear, so she knows
Where
that
I
we're gonna
find
find
children
her.
that are experiencing the level of abuse
Members
some
of
are
law
saying she
enforcement
went
say
through,
they're also
are
knocking on
secluded,
doors
hiding
and
from eyes,
collecting video footage. They set
not
up a
traveling
line
around,
for anyone who has information and
singing in
can
concerts,
stay anonymous. We'll bring
and
live
being
news
around
for
all
you.
sorts
I'm
of
Elizabeth Herring,
individuals.
KTV News, Fox 2 News.
What I would give to have Mother Nature as my home. I guess people forget that's how they used to live and felt privileged to do so. My lord, that girl has had her life so disgraced on this platform and others. I was guided here and everything I found I was led. Do I believe in that shit? No. I hate to say that I truly do. So either something good is at me or something bad. I don't believe the latter because I do not believe in consequences when they start to catch my attention. Why me? I do not know, and this shit has been going on for 7 months, and I just want my quiet and eventful mind, my own P's and Q's, and try to make it to a decent older age. At least see one grandchild. Even at that I dread actually. But life is too precious to give up on it. We just got to pray some generation might get it at least more civilized. Anyways, truth seeker, there it is. I guess, are you friend or foe to me? Or is this just a dream? I have a friend who is involved in law enforcement. He thinks I could possibly be here for a reason, but also knows that if people want something to be hushed, it will be hushed. What do you make of it? What is my purpose?
Kylie's spirit has always felt so benevolent the many nights I have felt her spirit visit. Yet this energy was not mean or bad. Just extremely powerful. I was and still am blown away, and I sat there, trying to figure out if the energy was Kylie, possibly demonstrating or showing me how very strong her spirit is, that she can literally move mountains. And I know she will and has to get justice. And if she does not get justice, well, It is not going to be pretty. Because I also am, so very similar to your interpretation of knowing you are a messenger for Kylie.
I know exactly what you are talking about with the age of childhood trauma and trying to get past it. You have given me so much hope along this path. But there is still those of us who won't give up on Kylie. She is with you. I am so grateful that there are still people like you in this world. I really feel that Kylie herself has chosen her case to be the one that changes the outcome of our country's biggest problem: SRA and child abuse. Justice for Kylie.
This is Keep 'em coming.
Right as rain. Anyone who knows what it's like to scream at the top of their lungs, only to be controlled, hand over their mouth or worse, not heard, knows. There is no honor in silence, only a soul unable to heal, trapped in the in-between. The healing comes when you escape. Even then, you're often alone. Justice for Kylie.
I wish there was a place for people like this to receive actual help. If they're stuck, they're going to become involved with someone equally as controlling and powerful. You're right about so many points in your videos. Those who've experienced this remain at the emotional age when it occurred. They need someone to stand with them if they're going to call it out. It doesn't end well if they try to make it in the world with no resources.
I most definitely see similarities between he and SS. He started out with animals, then progressed to human prey. Allegedly, SS did as well. And I see the same cold, unemotional detachment in both of their eyes. There is no honor in silence in Kylie's case. There is honor in speaking the truth.
Who am I? In 1846, we ate our dead. Who am I? In 1876, we surrounded and set fire to 2 cabins full of Chinese woodcutters. Who am I? We shot at the Chinese men as they ran out of the cabin. Who am I? In 1886, we chased out 1,400 Chinese inhabitants. Who am I? Today, we kill our children without shedding a tear. Who am I? There are no men where I am. Who am I? Chief Turkey Zo, in the 19th century you shouted Tro-K. Everything is all right. No Chief Turkey Zo. Nothing is Tro-K. You don't know who I am.
Long. Live. Kiely.
Who am I? There are no men where I am. Who am I? Chief Turkey Zo, in the 19th century. No more talk. No Chief Turkey Zo. Nothing is Tro-K. You don't know who I am.